Singapore is a sovereign island city-state and a global financial center in Southeast Asia. It is located at the southern tip of the Malay Peninsula and is separated from Malaysia by the Johor Strait. The country consists of the main island of Singapore and 62 other islets. Singapore founded as British trading colony in 1819. Singapore is one of the most unique destinations in all Southeast Asia. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Singapore. So please watch this video till the end. Marina Bay Sands is an integrated resort located in Singapore. The resort is located in Marina Bay, one of Singapore's main commercial and entertainment districts. And it is known for its iconic three-tower hotel structure with a rooftop park known as the SkyPark. The Singapore Flyer is a giant Ferris wheel located in Singapore, and it is one of the city's most popular tourist attractions. It was officially opened in 2008 and stands at a height of 541 feet, making it the tallest Ferris wheel in the world. The Buddha Tooth Relic Temple is a Buddhist temple located in the Chinatown district of Singapore. The temple was built to house the tooth relic of the historical Buddha. The Buddha Tooth Relic Temple is not only a popular destination for tourists but also a significant religious site for Singapore's Buddhist community. Raffles Hotel is a historic luxury hotel located in Singapore. It was established in 1887. The Raffles Hotel has played an important role in the history of Singapore and Southeast Asia. It was a popular destination for wealthy travelers and celebrities during the early 20th century. Sentosa Island is a popular resort island located in Singapore. It is situated just off the southern coast of the main island of Singapore and is connected to it by a causeway, cable car, and monorail. The island was once a British military fortress, but it has since been transformed into a popular tourist destination. Merlion Park is a popular tourist attraction in Singapore, located in the Marina Bay area. It is named after the Merlion, a mythical creature that has the head of a lion and the body of a fish, which is the national symbol of Singapore. The statue spouts water from its mouth, creating a dramatic effect. Visitors to the park can take photos with the statue and enjoy the views of the Marina Bay skyline. Universal Studios Singapore is a popular theme park located on Sentosa Island in Singapore. It is part of the larger Resorts World Sentosa complex, which also includes other attractions like hotels, a casino, and a marine life park. Universal Studios Singapore features 7 themed zones, each with its own set of rides, shows, and attractions. Singapore is a year-round destination and can be visited at any time of the year. The best time to visit Singapore is generally between February and April when the weather is pleasant and there are fewer crowds. The months from May to July are typically the hottest, and the months from November to January are the rainiest. Please leave a comment about Singapore and subscribe the channel to stay with us.